All right, part B asks us for two things. The first thing is the second derivative. So I'm going to start with dB dt, all right, which is 1/5 times 100 minus b. All right, where 100 is the adult weight and b is the current weight of the bird. And we're really considering between 20 and 100 here because the baby's born at 20 and the adult weight is 100. So we're going to take the derivative with respect to t on both sides here. All right, for most people, if I think of that right-hand side as a 20 minus 1/5 b, it's going to be a lot easier for you to take the derivative. So this is the second derivative of b with respect to t, all right, equals negative 1/5, and then we need to chain rule that, so we get a dB dt. All right, that's negative 1/5 times 1/5 times 100 minus b, all right, which is negative 1/25 times 100 minus b. All right, so that is our second derivative. That takes care of the first component. All right, now the second component that they're looking for is they're looking for why this graph cannot be correct. All right, so one thing I notice is for b on 20 to 100, all right, which is our possible b values. All right, the second derivative has to be negative. All right, because it's negative 1/25 times 100 minus b, and as long as that b is under 100, that's going to be a positive number. All right, thus the graph must be concave down. All right, however, all right, this graph is concave up. For some values of b on 20 to 100. All right, and that would be a complete argument for part B. So this answers both of their questions. Again, the first one, just what is the derivative? All right, the second derivative, and then the last one is why is this graph incorrect? All right, so that's B. I hope that helped.